Hey guys, welcome back. This is AJXG here with another video. So today I am going to be doing an unboxing and a brief review of the MSI Sword. I have been using it for about, I want to say 4 to 5 days now. So I am going to add some updates as the video goes along. So this laptop is, as I said, a 15.6 inch monitor. It has an Intel i7 11th gen CPU. Okay, this has 8 cores, 16 threads. It comes with 8 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of solid state drive storage. As for the graphics, we are rocking an RTX 3050 Ti. Yes, I understand this is the lower end. This is a budget laptop. I do have a gaming PC and I wanted something to take around with me that I can still game on and do other intensive projects because, as you guys know, I am a computer science teacher and I do like to work in Unity. Alright, so let's do this quick unboxing and I'm going to just discuss some of the information about the laptop that I've used during the week. So let's talk about the price of this laptop. This was actually listed on, is still currently listed on Best Buy for $11.99, and on Amazon it is $12.99, but you get a whole bunch of shit with it if you were to get it on Amazon. Now, I did not pay this price. You guys know I always tell you to try to find the best deals with certain specs. Now, I have been hearing a lot of great things about the i7 11th gen mixed with NVIDIA chips, and I caught this on Labor Day, like 4 hours before Labor Day ended, for $900. Now, depending on what state you live in, the tax may be lower. So for me, I ended up paying the final price of $980. That is not bad, including me, as you see, purchasing some RAM on the right hand side of this. So as you can see, this is a beautiful white laptop and you can open it with one hand, which is really awesome. A lot of people love that feature. Now, as for the ports on this laptop, you have an aux port, a USB 3.0, a USB-C, and an HDMI port, and of course an Ethernet port. Now, on the other side, we have the port for the power, and we have another 2 USB ports. The one is a 2.0 and the other one is a 3.0. All right, so this is how it looks. This is all white, okay, pretty much all white. As you see around the edge of the monitor, it is black, and under the laptop it is black as well. Okay, has a nice simple insignia of the MSI logo, so this is really dope. So now we're going to get into a sound test just so you can see how the laptop sounds. So this is at 50%. That's at 50, and I'm about to turn it up to 100. Okay, so those are some pretty good speakers for this laptop. I mean, it doesn't have like a lot of bass, but it does get really loud. So that's something that I really do like. So this is how the keyboard looks. It only lights up in blue. Okay, so you have bright, medium, dim, and then off. Okay, so this is the highest setting. Right now I have the lights on, so I'm going to cut it off so you can see how it looks. But in the light, this is how it looks, and I'm going to turn down the lighting. So this is the brightest, that's medium, low, and then off. Okay, so it doesn't look like that different in the light, so let me cut off the lights again and show you how it looks. Alright, so I cut off the brightest lamp that's next to me. This is how it looks in, it's not pitch black over here, but it's pretty much darker in my gaming area. So I'm going to do that again for you guys. So you hold the FN key. This is medium, low, off. Highest, medium, blow off. Okay, it's not super bright, but it's bright when in person, and maybe on camera, maybe it's showing it. But this is a really nice setup if you're someone that keeps your hands pretty much clean, which most you should during this time. This would be an awesome rig. I'm installing some more games on my laptop, and then I'm going to show you some gameplay. Alright, so these are the settings that I usually play on my actual PC, which is behind my laptop. So I have view distance on Epic, everything else on medium pretty much. Apply. As you see, this is with the 8 gigabytes of RAM. This is how it looks. This shit is really freaking smooth. I'm using the keyboard and mouse right now just so you guys can see how it looks if you had it. Right now the FPS is hovering around 90 with those settings. You guys can probably hear the laptop. It's roaring. So, as you can see, I am completely trash in Warzone. I usually just play like multiplayer on like regular COD, like Black Ops Cold War multiplayer, or zombies. I don't really play Warzone like that. But as you can see, it hovers between 60 and 80 frames per second. Somewhere in this video, you may see it go to 105. This is with the 8 gigabytes that it comes with, which is really freaking dope that it can do this with just 8 gigabytes of RAM. But as you know, Call of Duty is system intensive, so I do definitely recommend adding the 16 gigabytes of RAM. I added it after, but I just wanted to show you guys how it worked with just the 8 gigabytes. The Intel the i7 11th gen works really well with NVIDIA chips, so that's why this looks so smooth. As you see, most gaming laptops, they start roaring. You can hear it, but it doesn't sound like a jet engine. Now, one thing I do recommend is if you're going to play Warzone on this, lock it at the 60 frames per second so you can have a more seamless gameplay. But other than that, this is like an awesome rig to get. So I'm going to just show you the dimness of the monitor and how it gets bright and dim. So as you see here, this is at its lowest point when it's at dim all the way down to 0. And this is what it looks like when it goes all the way up to 100. Now it gets pretty bright. Now I know a lot of you guys are wondering what is the refresh rate of this monitor. If you go on the MSI website, it says 144 hertz with an asterisk. Now on Best Buy, it doesn't claim the 144 hertz. Okay, now it is actually it hovers between that, so I'm assuming it hovers between 120 and 144. That's why Best Buy didn't want to just say exactly at 144. But if you did want to buy a monitor with these exact, a laptop with these exact specs, that is guaranteed to be at 144 hertz, I would recommend the Acer Nitro, which is also on Best Buy, and it's 1100 instead of 1200. So if you want something with guaranteed 144 hertz, I would say go with the Acer Nitro. Now, if you can catch this laptop for $900, it is a steal, okay? Because I bought a 8 gigabyte stick, so now this laptop has 16 gigabytes. Everything runs even better. Warzone runs even better. So I'm probably going to do another video separately from this just to show you how Warzone runs without it being locked at 60 frames with the extra gigabytes of RAM, okay? The RAM was only $40, okay? It is 3200 megahertz clock speed, so 2 dual channel. It's amazing. All right. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below. I really enjoy this laptop. Can you, like, if you're someone that's like, oh, can I like bring this around with me, like if you're a computer science student, computer engineering, whatever, Yes. Is it heavy? It's fairly heavy. It's a gaming laptop. It's not a Razer, so it's not going to be the lightest and thinnest thing on the block. A lot of people ask what is the TGP for the graphics card. It is 60 watts. All right. So if you want to see gameplay without the power supply plugged in and with the power supply, I can let you guys know that as well. How is it on battery life? It is a gaming laptop. Remember, gaming laptops do not last long on their own. So you can get anywhere from 2 to 4 hours without it dying on you. I've used it for 4 hours without having to charge it. And that was just me like opening it, running programs, and like watching stuff on YouTube. Okay. As you see here, this is the RAM that I bought. Got this straight off of Amazon. The link will be in the description down below as well. It was only 40 bucks and it came in 2 days. Okay, like the laptop came and the next day the RAM came. So, again, I will have links to find this on Amazon, including the laptop. On Amazon is $1,300, but it comes with a bunch of other stuff. But if you lurk and watch on Best Buy, you will be able to get this for $900. The $1,200 price point is really steep for me, but this is still a banger laptop. And again, if you're someone that like to do the play PlayStation games on your monitor, on your laptop, do the share play thing, you can do that seamlessly. It does have Bluetooth, so you can connect controllers to it. Guys, this is an awesome laptop. There should be more reviews on this on Best Buy, and maybe it's not because of the $1,200 price point. But if they put it at $900 or $950, this thing will be flying off the shelves, honestly and truly. But thank you guys for watching. HXG out.